In this tutorial, I will show you how you can compress a PDF file to make the file size smaller without losing any of the quality. It's nice and quick and easy, so let's jump straight into this guide. And as you can see on my desktop here, I have my PDF file. And if we right click on this file and come into properties, you can see that it's currently 14 kilobytes in size. Now, your PDF file is probably a lot larger than this, which is absolutely fine. In fact, you will usually see a bigger reduction in the size, the bigger the file size. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and inside of the internet browser, you need to type in I love PDF and hit enter. Then just come over to this top search result here, ilovepdf.com, and this website provides you with a bunch of tools that you can use to customize your PDFs. But for this instance, what we're going to use is this compress PDF tool over here, and it's completely free to use and you don't have to download any software onto your computer. All we need to do is select this button here to upload our PDF file, and then locate the PDF file that you need compressing. So mine's this invoice PDF over here, so we're going to double click on that. And then over here on the right, we have 3 different options. Now, for the biggest compression and file saving, I'd recommend to use this extreme compression one. For a balance between quality and compression, I'd recommend using this middle one here. And for minimal compression but no quality loss, then I'd recommend using this bottom one here. Now, I usually just go with this middle one, the recommended compression. So I'm going to select that and then we can press compress PDF. And as you can see, that's now compressed my PDF. And it's made the file 4% smaller. Now obviously if you're working with a bigger file size PDF, then you'll see a bigger reduction inside of here. And once you've done, then we can just hit this download compress PDF button, and this is going to save into your download folder onto your computer. And as you can see, I have the new compressed version over here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you compress a PDF file on your PC. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.